Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel.
Huh?
Do you want to play with me?
Wait for me. Huh? Where's the ball? Let me find out. Ah! I will use this. What's this? Let's just say bucket. Aha! I have an idea for dinner. First, peel the chicken from the box. Cut chicken into small pieces. Then mince the chicken until smooth. Put the minced chicken in a bowl and add pepper, white pepper, and salt to increase seasoning. Mix well. Shape the dish with a heart-shaped mold. Kitty, why are you so naughty? Stay here. Next, we pour the dough onto a wooden plate. Crack eggs and drop into bowl. Beat eggs until dissolved. Roll the shaved meat and flour and then drop it into the egg. Lift out and roll the dough again. Now let's go fry it. Fill the pan with oil. When the oil heats up, drop the meat into the pan. Fry until golden brown. Spread pizza sauce around the surface of the meat. Combine with ham and pineapple. Spread cheese on top. Finally, add all kinds of chili and grill it. Bake for 30 minutes. Let's have a taste. Yummy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you.